Greetings. Today I want to speak to you concerning the sacred fire. Yes, there is a burning fire within you, and it is in you like a spark. And when it's been activated, it will cause an earthquake. It will also cause a mighty rushing wind to erupt within you, and you would give the flash of a lightning, and you would discover your fiery body. Now, this sacred fire of which I speak, there are men and women who have become initiates of such flame or fire. Some call it a spark. But those who have come to that realization are actually self-realized being, enlightened ones. Those who have come to discover their divine self. And that is why those who come to that place, they are bringing a message to you to show you that you are a spirit having a human experience, that you are part of this sacred fire, and that we are all one. We are all interconnected. And this light would lead you to the sun, the S-U-N of God, not the S-O-N. You see, the S-O-N of God is a brainwash that's been going on for over 2,000 years. 2,000 years of control. 2,000 years of division and separation, where they separate you from your higher self, from your God self, and they place an idol in your mind. But this is the time to get rid of all idolatry and to realize that true salvation is self-realization. That is why my message is always to point you to look inwardly, to discover that your real identity is your divinity. Now, this sacred flame or this secret light that is within you, you can actually close your eyes and see this flame in your forehead, especially when you're in that drowsy, sleepy state, that state that borders upon sleep, where you're crossing dimension, where you're leaving this three-dimensional world and you're going into the fourth and fifth and sixth, and you can go right up to the ninth dimension. And when this flame meets with the other light at the base of your spine, and there is a union of the male and the female, you would definitely give birth, spiritual birth. And you would realize that the birth, the virgin birth, and the resurrection is actually the same event. They are one. And so when you understand that you're here to find yourself, then you will know that Earth is a cosmic school. And you are to be more in touch with your cosmic self, which is your higher self. So my brother, my sisters, there are many theories out there about this sacred light or this sacred fire. But I am telling you, I had the experience of this sacred fire. And I'm saying to you that that spark is within you. Therefore, if you believe what I am saying, then you would start to look within and focus your energy within. And you wouldn't listen to those who have been leading you down to the wrong path all these years. You see, many people are afraid of the unknown. Many people are afraid of death. That's why they believe in a hell. And they believe in a devil to be an entity outside of themselves and fail to realize the negative self. You see, you have a right brain and a left brain, the right hemisphere and the left hemisphere. Okay? And you're told to throw the net on the right side because you've been throwing it on the left side all the time. And so, my brother, my sisters, when someone comes to you being ordained, being initiated, not by man, not by some secret brotherhood, but when one comes to you, being enlightened, one who have had the experience, you have to learn to listen and you have to apply what they're saying in your life. So my last encouragement to you is to be a doer and not just a hearer. So with that being said, my brother and my sister, I want to thank you very much for listening to me. I want to say to you, if this is the very first time that you listen to me, what I'm saying, if it makes sense to you, if it really resonates with you and you haven't subscribed already, I definitely want to encourage you to subscribe, to like, to comment, and to share this video. Also, if you like to follow me on Instagram, you like to follow me on TikTok, you can definitely follow me at Black Mad Guru. And I will also encourage you to get my latest book, which is called The Secret Vagina Mystery of the Virgin Birth. Also, I would encourage you to check out Spiritual Recipe for Better Living, How to Turn Water into Wine, Your Mood is Your Fortune, Meditate to Eradicate Poverty, and much more. Those are all just some of my books. Also, if you'd like to become a part of my Patreon community, you're most welcome, and you can start with $5 or $10, $15. But those who are donating $20 or more dollars, you have access to a course I call the Inner Sun Science and Technology to Create Your Reality Consciously. And along with that is a bonus course on self-concept. Also, if you want to do a one-on-one with me, you can definitely reach out to me and I'll show you the terms and conditions. Okay, and we can definitely get to work. So my last encouragement to you is to make sure that you check out all of the links that are down below and let your intuition lead you and guide you into what to do. So that being said, I just want to say peace, love you all.